Hey guys, it's Nia Jade and welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time since I have did a video. I have been super busy and I just don't have the time to do many videos at the moment. So I'm just going to show you guys 3 journals that I have worked on. I finished these quite some time ago. And these will be up on my Etsy shop hopefully today, if anyone is interested. So this is the first journal, and all of these journals are naked journals for the most part. So as you can see, this is the cover of it, and I'm doing this on my phone, so I hope you guys can see that, and the volume is okay. So here you have some metal corner embellishments. They are on the front and the back. You have some lace here on the spine and some shabby chic roses also on the spine. Some ribbon, and this is just the background. It's just some real pretty scrapbook paper that I got from a pack collection. And this ribbon is not attached to the book. I would just take it off like this. Whoops. There we go. Okay. Alright, and this is just a little pocket in the front with some buttons and some muslin. And this is a little tag card. Back has two different types of paper. You could journal on both sides, and that just goes right in there. This journal has 5 signatures. If you open it, this is the inside cover, some more vintage scrapbook paper, and here I just added a little piece of fabric. The first page is a music page, and like I said, this is just a naked journal. Plenty of room to grow, to make it your own, to decorate it yourself. This is the back right here. Mostly are just coffee stained paper. Here's a little piece of scrapbook paper that I added that's not coffee stained. Some coffee stained notebook paper there. Here's a book page. The other end of the music sheet right here. This is just a complete naked journal. Plenty of room for you, whoever purchases this journal, to make it your own and fill it up with whatever kinds of embellishments and fabric and lace your heart desires. And then you just close it and see how many pages is in this one. Let me see. It's 5 signatures, and it has 116 pages. So this one has 116 pages inside here. You have a little butterfly right there. I just added this one. So that is that one. So 5 signatures, 116 pages, naked journal inside, and then you have these beautiful corner embellishments on the corner. This is the back. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love this scrapbook paper. Absolutely love it. Alright, so moving on to the second journal. The second journal is a fabric covered journal with buttons and lace and black lace on the spine with some tan colored lace and some black tassels here. Very pretty and chic. And some little pom-pom balls trim at the top here. And these are not soft. These are very sturdy, hard balls here. Lace there. And this is the front. This is the back, and this one has 3 signatures. And also, again, it is there's some washi tape here. Naked journal, nothing inside side of it. Back here, I did add a little upside down pocket. I just kind of wanted to do something different, so I did an upside down pocket and tucked 2 little pieces of ephemera, vintage ephemera. I can't talk this morning. 2 pieces of vintage ephemera here. Guys, that's right for some. Like that. And then you just tuck it underneath there. Here I just added a little piece of lace that I had left over. I didn't want to waste it, so I just added that for a little touch there. But yeah, plenty of room to make it your own beautiful, soft fabric. I absolutely love this journal, especially the spine, the black lace spine, and the tassels on here. So this has 3 signatures, and it has, dun, 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 if I can find it, it has 70 pages. Yes, I believe this one has 70 pages in it. So that is the second journal that will be up in my Etsy shop. And last but not least, this is a very tiny journal. This is this journal here with some lace and some buttons on there. Back, same material as the other one. This one has one signature in it, and this actually comes with a fabric pocket here and two wallpaper sample squares that I have added from my wallpaper collection that I got at a local thrift store. So pretty. Tuck that back in there like that. Stop being difficult. There we go. And then I also added a little fabric collage collection of some more fabric that I got from a thrift store as well. So pretty. So pretty. And then the rest is just coffee stain paper. You have some ledger paper here. Some dotted paper, also coffee stained. Just very making his little flip page right there. And another flip page in the back. And another little fabric pocket here. And a flip page cover in the back. And this one also comes with a little fabric, I guess, pocket. A little baggie, I guess you could call it. I thought this was really cute. And pretty good space in there. You can add a little ephemera or whatever you like, embellishments in there, and then just close it back. And you can either attach it here or you can just tuck it away in your journal for safekeeping and travels, whatever you wish. But that is also included in this journal. And that journal has one signature, and it has 25 pages. Yes, so one signature, 25 pages. And it is included in this little fabric pocket. Is also included with this journal. So those are the 3 journals that I will be putting on my Etsy shop. Sorry, I'm working with a very small space, and yeah, so these will be up on my Etsy shop if you guys are interested. Yes, and I will put the link to my Etsy shop on my in the description box below. And if you have any questions or if you have difficulties finding my Etsy shop, just please let me know by leaving a comment section, and I will do my best to help you guys out to find it. If you have any suggestions, if you like the idea of just having just selling naked journals, please let me know. It's good encouragement and helps me kind of target of what kind of journals that you guys are looking for. I will be posting another video of vintage style keepsake envelopes, so be on the lookout for that. And if you're not subscribed, you can go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button, just if you want to be notified when I upload a next video. I hope to be able to upload a video every Monday. That's the only day I have off, so yeah. But okay, enough rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the journals. They'll be up on my Etsy shop today, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.